Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Apple does not allow fully disabling the app library in iOS 14 and later. That means you cannot remove the feature entirely from your iPhone. You can, however, reduce its visibility and stop new apps from going there automatically. The approach in this video uses home screen page visibility and one settings change to keep apps on your pages. Follow these steps to make the app library less intrusive and to keep your home screens organized the way you prefer. Open Settings, then tap Home Screen and choose Add to Home Screen for new apps. That prevents newly installed apps from going only to the app library. Next, long press an empty area on the home screen until icons jiggle and tap the page dots at the bottom. Deselect or hide all extra pages except one visible page to simplify navigation. With one visible page, you minimize swiping toward the app library and keep most apps on your home screen. You cannot fully remove the app library. It remains in iOS by design. If you need the feature back later, unhide home screen pages and change the settings option. Reorganize icons and use folders to keep one clean home page with your top apps. Use Spotlight Search or the app library pockets when you need rarely used apps instead of making multiple pages. This method reduces app library visibility while keeping your phone organized and easy to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.